Welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the sounds of the tiny insectivore known as the golden crowned kinglet. The golden crowned kinglet is a small hyperactive bird with a thin beak, a chalky white brow, and a bright yellow or yellow-orange crown bordered in black. Now let's dive into their sounds, which are often the best way to know that they're around. Their song begins with an accelerating series of high-pitched C notes, which often tumble into a chickadee-like chatter. Now let's talk about their calls. Golden crowned kinglets have high, thin, yet somewhat raspy C calls that are often given 2 or 3 in a row. To help you remember these sounds, let's run through that song and these calls one more time. Thank you so much for listening, and please let me know in the comments if there are any birds whose sounds that you'd like for me to cover in this series.